Adding information to media. Hello and welcome to VeriPic training. This video will provide you with an overview of adding information to media. After import, you can add or edit title and notes to all media in the case. To do this, first make sure that the media you want is selected. Click Show to bring the media into the main window. Minimize the database media search window. In the View section on the left-hand side, click the Info button. The Media Information window will open. Below the preview is the Freeform section for title and notes. You can edit existing title and notes or add new notes. Simply mouse-click in the appropriate text box and type in the information for this media. In this window, you can see a photo preview and basic media information. Here you see whether or not a digital signature was entered during import. Present means there's a digital signature for this media. If not present is listed, there is not a digital signature for this media. Photographer will show the photographer's name if it was set during import. If there is no data, the photographer was not tracked during import. The user is the person who was logged in at the time of import. Calibration done. If yes is listed, this means the photo has been calibrated using the calibration module. No signifies the photo has not been calibrated. The camera clock displays the date the media was taken based on the camera clock. If the camera clock is unavailable, the media was imported from a non-VeriPic device. Contact VeriPic to get your camera on the VeriPic device list. The import time, authentic, displays the date and time the media was imported into VeriPic. If it reads secure only, non-VeriPic devices, then the media the device is from is not tracked. To get the camera on the VeriPic device list, contact VeriPic. The import time zone is the time zone of import. The input device tracks the device that the media was imported from. Security begins at identifies when VeriPic starts tracking the media in the audit trail. If security begins at download, the photo is tested for authentication. VeriPic authentication is for photos only. It begins at the camera level. VeriPic authentication tests photos at the time of import to verify that the original photo has not been corrupted or altered from the time it was taken to the time it was imported into VeriPic. If user applied is listed, VeriPic starts tracking the media at the time of import. Authentication strength shows the strength of authentication. The serial number displays a number value. This is a unique identifier for the media. It is assigned by VeriPic at the time of import. The first media imported into VeriPic is assigned a serial number of 1. All other media goes up sequentially from there. The version number indicates if the photo is the original photo or an enhanced version. A version number of 1 indicates that it is the original photo. If you were to check out a photo to make enhancements in Photoshop, the enhanced photo would be checked back into VeriPic as version 2. To view the audit trail for the Media Information window, click Audit Trail, located on the top right side of the window. The audit trail will list every action that has taken place with that media. The bottom left-hand side of the window allows you to click how many results per page to display. The page number option at the bottom right allows you to view the next page. You can also jump straight to a certain page number using the drop-down list. If the Show All Versions of this media checkbox is checked, the audit trail information will include not only information from the original media, but all information for all versions of the media. The audit trail tracks every user's action from the initial import on. The access time is when the action took place. The event type is the action that took place, such as import, view, or print. The user is the user that performed the action. The case number, serial number, version, and comment are also displayed. If you want to save this audit trail or export it, click the Export button located at the top right. First, select the report type. Choose between a text file or comma-separated value, otherwise known as a CSV file. Then select Save Report to File. to save the report to a designated location on your computer. Or select Copy Report to Notepad to open Notepad with the report information. Click Close when you are done. Click OK in the media information to save any changes you made to title or notes. There is also some other information associated with the picture that is displayed in the main window. First, go back to the main window by minimizing the Database Media Search window. At the top of the main window, the magnification, the XY origin, and the resolution will be displayed when there is a photo in the main window. You can also see whether or not this photo has passed authentication. If passed is displayed, then the photo was tested and passed authentication. If secured is displayed, the photo either did not get tested for authentication because it was not imported from a VeriPic device, or it was tested for authentication and did not pass. If you want to add or replace information to multiple media at one time, first return to the main window. Select View and do a search for the media you want. In this example, we will search for media that have the word arson in either the title or notes. Select the media that you want to replace or add the same information to. In this example, let's change this title for this selected media. Right-click over the selected media and click Set Multiple Media Info. You can also get to the same window in the Tools drop-down menu in the main window. Set title and notes on multiple media files at once. To add or replace a title, click the Title for All Media checkbox and enter a new title. Do the same if you wish to add or replace notes for all media. The case number option is for file system only. If you want to change your case number, you will have to ask a VeriPic administrator to do it for you. Under What to Do if media already has a description, select a radio button. If you choose Use New Description Only, VeriPic will delete any existing text, replacing it with text you entered. If you choose Add New to Old Description, VeriPic will add the new information to the existing information. Once you have made your selection, verify that the files listed here are the ones you want to apply the notes and/or title changes to. If there is no media listed in this section, you have to add the files. To add files, click the button Add from Database. All the selected media from the Database Media Search window will appear. Once you are finished, click Apply. A warning window will pop up if you selected Use New Description Only. Click OK to continue. Click OK. Click Close. The title has been replaced. If you want to add different information to a bunch of media, you can launch the Media Information window from here. Select a group of media and click the View Info button. The Media Information window will open. Here you can add or edit title and notes. You can also click Previous and Next to scroll through the selected media. You can quickly scroll through and view information and edit titles and notes for the selected media. Thanks for watching this training video. We invite you to take a look at other training videos available in the VeriPic training series.